Hey traders, so today we have Aussie Yen. We clearly have an ascending trend line over here which have been broken. Also, a support turn resistance level over here. So what we like to see would be a retest onto previous structure, and we catch a bearish price action on the lower time frame, driving prices towards this zone over here, and a continuation or extended take profit level would be at this level right here. Similarly, we have Aussie New Zealand dollar. You can see that we have an ascending trend line where prices rejected once and twice and now broken down, broke this level of support, and now made an immediate swing low. So we are definitely looking for a short when prices comes back to retest this zone. Look for bearish price action on the lower time frame, and we can see a downside move towards potentially this level of support right here. We can also buy from here. We expect a bounce based off this bad pattern over here, and we have 886 completion right here. So look for buying opportunities over here, pushing prices upside before moving down again. Next, we have CHFJPY. Clearly, we have a structure over here where prices are retesting right now. Also, we have an ABCD pattern right here, which have already been completed, and we should look for buying opportunities over here. So dropping down to the lower time frame, we want prices to make a wave like this. You see we have lower swing highs and lower swing lows, and we want a price that breaks out of this previous swing high, comes back down to retest, and potentially look for a down bottom over here before driving prices upside again. So we are looking for a pattern like this before buying CHFJPY. Next up, we have the Euro Aussie dollar. You can see that prices are ranging at this level, and we found a double bottom structure over here where prices can't break this level and found support instead. So we can actually look for buying opportunities towards previous high, or if you're looking for a clear trend, we actually want prices to break this level, comes back to retest this zone before buying over here. If not, we can actually look for a breakdown and retest before looking for selling opportunity over here. So this would be for breakout traders, and for range traders, you can actually look for buying opportunities upon market opening. So next up, we have the Euro CHF. You can see that there's a clear zone over here. Prices got rejected several times, once, twice, and thrice. So this retest, it will be the fourth one. Look for lower time frame entry. You can see that prices break this descending trend line, and we actually want a retest onto previous structure over here. So if prices can come back for retest onto any of these price action levels, the 382 retracement, 0.5 or 618, we can actually look for long opportunities upon your favorite entry technique. Look for buys anywhere inside this zone. Next up, for Euro Pound, we are in this trade right now. You can see that we made a breakout of previous structure. Prices came back for a retest, and we are actually in this very nice trade over here. So we are definitely looking for prices to actually retest this previous swing high and potentially testing this zone as well. So look for buying opportunities for Euro Pound definitely. Next, for Pound Aussie, you can see that we have a down move. Prices comes back up, made a sideways movement, and eventually break down. So we are looking for a retest onto this previous structure and just drop down to the lower time frame. look for ways to sell this market. So you can potentially wait for prices to come back and retest this level again before looking for your favorite price action structure technique and aim for previous low right about here. Next, we have pound CAD. Clearly, we have a bad pattern over here, and prices actually hit the first take profit level at the trade 2 completion. So we are actually looking for buying opportunities if prices comes back for a double bottom retest and aim for previous high. So for selling opportunities, we are actually looking for a breakdown. If prices can break this support level, look for a retest onto this level, or also you can wait for a retest onto the trend line for a better entry and look for take profit onto this level over here for selling. So for NZDCHF, you can see that previously we charted this. We are looking for a breakout on either side, and apparently it seems that NZDCHF chose to break up towards the upside. So zooming onto this, we want prices to clear this level, making an immediate high before coming back for retest onto this trend line and look for buying opportunities over here and aim for previous high. We can have our TP1 at this level, and of course TP2 will be the extreme high over here, retesting this swing over here. So lastly, we have UCAD. We have a weekly support zone over here, and prices got rejected. You can see that there is a weekly bullish engulfing candle. So dropping down to the daily time frame, prices found support at this level, and we can actually look for a retest and aim for previous structure over here. Or for breakout structures, right? You can wait for this level to be broken, look for a breakout and retest, buy over here and aim for the same level